In an effort to promote social collaboration amid the socio-political upheavals in the English-speaking regions and to foster peace and social cohesion, the staff of Camtel organized a friendly match with the staff of the Senior Divisional Officer's Office in Fako. The match took place at the Limbe Nautical Arts and Fisheries Institute on Saturday, October 5th, 2024, supported by the Camtel Southwest Regional Representatives for business units fixed and mobile. Present at the sporting event was Mr. Milton Eyole, who is the Southwest Regional Representative for Business Unit Mobile, and the first Assistant SDO for Fako, Mr. Awadin Chi, who participated in the game. During the event, the first Assistant SDO commended Camtel's management for their initiatives, emphasizing its importance in building unity.
First of all, I'd like to start by lauding the initiative by the management of Camtel. Such initiatives are the ones that we should applaud. And to say that learning without playing makes Jack a dull boy. We have been working for all this while, working, and we decided to have a moment of play, which in another sense is to show the world, to show the nation in general that Southwest is not dead as a thing. Fako in particular is not dead as a thing. Fako is lively. Due to socio-political crisis that we have now, we don't have such activities. But coming up with such an activity, as I said, I laud the management of Camtel and the Senior Division Officer of Fako for accepting such an initiative, because he gave his go-ahead for us to have this match, and that is why we are having this match too. Weekends are meant for social events, and I think this particular weekend has come to spice up the lives of workers of the prefecture and that of Camtel. And this being a first initiative, we just allow them to win, knowing that we'll be coming back for, as I say, a match retour.
The essence of the activity was further emphasized by Mr. Lawton Samuel, the president of the Camtel Southwest Sports Club.
L'importance de cet événement, c'était le fait de rassembler les populations. Vous êtes sans ignorer le contexte sociopolitique qui sévit au sud-ouest. Il fallait déjà tuer la psychose au sein de nous, les membres de nous, la population du sud-ouest, et en particulier la population de Camtel, les employés de Camtel qui ont bien voulu, à travers ce match, transmettre le message pour dire que le sud-ouest n'est pas comme les autres régions pensent. On est dans une région où certes, il y a la psychose par rapport à la situation de notre pays, mais on essaie de vivre et surtout de prôner le vivre ensemble.
The entertaining match, which showcased the spirit of social cohesion, concluded with Camtel defeating the staff of the SDO's office 2-1. The joy and camaraderie generated by the event were evident. Remarks after the event clearly indicated that such sporting activities will now have a role in fostering leisure, entertainment and community building, with football at the Camtel Sports Club in the Southwest region gaining prominence and here to stay.